Hello, guys. My name is Satyendra Punia. I'm your anchor, I'm your teacher, I'm your mentor, and the most important thing that I am my content is and my channel is all about that solve your problem. Look, guys, life is a very simple thing. Okay, life is as much as simple as you can think. But look, if you really want to complicate this, if you really want to become a very complex life, then you really should make yourself your look, guys. What is this human body? This human body is a engineering. Okay, this human body is all about to engineering. I mean, how engineering is about all about your construction, your house, your bungalow, your even a small water tank. Okay, construction. So this is like a body, your human engineering. This is mind. I mean, you know what, two things no scientist can prove. Okay, two things. First of all, this universe, how big is this universe is. I mean, earth, moon, Pluto, Jupiter, okay, Mars, how big this is, our galaxy, how this big this is universe. And second thing, that no scientist never defined this brain, this human brain. I mean, no one can't decide it, no one can tell you how actual brain can do. I mean, no one can tell you then your 100% brain capacity, no one. But if you just see our ancient technology, I mean, if you just see, then yes, India is a, I mean, India is also thought, we have discussed already. But two things I am telling you, no one can tell you that how actually this is. Okay. So first of all, today's my topic is about all about that. Look, guys, Ravan is not a 10 mouth scripture. Okay. Ravan had only one face. Okay. But these all are stories we are hearing, that all are lies. I mean, no, I mean, he has a 10 quality. Okay. Anger, greed, ego, okay, lust. This is the 10 bad qualities that we are actually define that human. Okay, this is not about that you are seeing on serial that Ravan had a 10 face and he laughed. Look, guys, all you can add anything. You can add anything, whatever you want to add. Okay, but always just use your logical mind. Always use your logical mind, because without logical, people who don't have logic, people who don't debate, people who always argue, I'm telling you a great thing. You know what? In my relatives, I mean my so called relatives, there are many boys and many girls now are actually lost. I'm telling you why they so lost. Because now their psychology become mental. I have seen many. I have seen many. I grew with them. I play with them. But many of them now just talking to bullshit. Now they, you know what? You are seeing your grandmother 18 years, 19 years talking to wall, talking in you know what, in your house you have seen 18 years your grandfather, grandmother, you know what, you, if you just seen them in that age, they talking to that, in they're talking to tree, they're talking to the wall. Okay, I mean, have you actually seen in them? What is this? What is this? Because they didn't understand what is the is this is qualities that smart one, this innocent, good thing, bad thing, is about right thing, wrong thing. This is the difference. If you just can see, then of course your mind, your engineering will be great. Then of course your mind and look guys, this is the thing you can only learn with your internet. Okay, and look guys, first of all, I'm telling you, always understand Indian music lyrics. Okay, this would be help you. I mean, now I am, if I am happy and if my soul is happy, I mean all credit that Indian movies, because yes, I have seen also this kind of very disturbing people who always talk very disturbing thing. Why they are laughing, their humor. Look, if you really want to know a foolish person, then just actually see them your humor. Okay, okay. The best thing you can decide in 1 minute, in 1 minute, you will see any human being in 1 minute. Just see them, see their humor, see their sense of humor, see their common sense. In 1 minute, you will see them actually that how is actually easy. In 1 minute, just show his common sense of humor. Of course, this kind of human don't have a sixth sense, but importantly, just any look. It doesn't matter. Someone is black, someone is white, someone is beautiful, someone is look ugly. No, no. Always watch two things: common sense and sense of humor. Two things, two major things. If both things someone don't have, please stand up and just tell them get out. Tell them quickly get out, get out quickly. Common sense and sense of humor. Two is the major thing you can actually define someone. Actually define. Look guys, and also look guys, if you just visit to Mumbai, okay, people who always just talk about London, America, that we will visit London, America. These are all just show people, okay? Okay, in my village, people who some kind of have, they visited to Paris, but they don't have a good house in their own village, but they just show that we just toured the Paris, we just toured the America, we just toured there. But we know actually what they are. We know actually what they are. They live in America. They visited in America. They are visited in Paris. But what kind of people they are, we actually know. Okay. So, just first of all, build your own house. Take your own house in a Mumbai. I'm telling you, I'm giving you a challenge. Take your own house in a Mumbai. Then you actually define how actually feel rich. Just take your 2 BHK apartment in Mumbai. 2 BHK apartment in Mumbai. Okay? Then you will, yes, I really wish that we have a 7 BHK, so crore bungalow, so crore flat in Mumbai. But I'm telling you a very simple thing, just afford a 2 BHK flat in a Mumbai. You will actually know reality. Okay. So yes, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and we will discuss many more problems, and I will give you a great solution. Thank you very much. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.